So hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Galaxy Watch 5. This is in the black band. I've never had the Galaxy Watches in the past. This is my first ever one. I got it because when I purchased the Galaxy S23 Ultra, I had a $250 in-store credit and I wanted to utilize it to get this because I basically only paid maybe $100 to $150 extra to be able to purchase this on top of the $250 store credit. So let's unbox this and see what it is, what it looks like, what it feels compared to the Apple Watch that I have. This is the Apple Watch Ultra. Before I was rocking the Apple Watch Series 4 LTE version and I upgraded to the Apple Watch Ultra after that because I don't generally change my smartwatches. The only time I do is when the other one or when the current one I'm using stops working. The reason to get this was obviously the $250 store credit, and I only had to add $150 on top maximum, and I also wanted to experience this rocket with my S23 Ultra to see how the entire experience is gonna be like. So if you are a Samsung user wanting to upgrade because it's time for you to upgrade, then you know what the experience is gonna be like. Or if you are an iPhone user and want to transition over to Samsung because you've had enough of the iPhone or Apple ecosystem and wanted to get out of it to try something new or try something different, then this might be something to look at because Samsung has the phones, integrates well with their watches. Trying this watch, experiencing it might actually give me much more understanding and clarity to be able to provide good feedbacks. So let's unbox this and then I'm gonna wear it on, try it for a couple of days, and then maybe in the future I'll make a review video, and obviously after that maybe also a comparison video. But for now, let's unbox this. So I guess there's like a seal on the top here. Same goes for the bottom. I like wearing bigger watches, so I got the Bluetooth version, the 44 mils. There was a 40 mils as well, but that looked too small on my wrist when I was trying in the store, but this one looked perfect, hence we have the 44 mils. So let's take it out. Okay, let's see. You do get some paperwork right here. So let's look at that first before we look at the watch. Empty, put it to the side. Let's see what we get inside of this one. Some paperwork. Opening it up from the other side, you can see here there's cables, so this might be the charger for the watch. USB-C right here, and this is the puck where the watch falls on. This is very similar to the puck of the Apple Watch chargers, but you cannot charge an Apple Watch on this one, and same goes for the Samsung Galaxy Watch. You cannot charge that on an Apple Watch charger, so you can only charge the Galaxy Watch on this one, but it looks very similar. That's what I'm trying to say. Charger is not the item we're here to see. So let's go back to the star of the show, which is the Watch 5. I've got the Watch 5 right here. As you can see, it is in a black, maybe space gray kind of color. So let's take it out. Nothing else underneath here. I thought that there might be an additional band, but it doesn't seem to be. So it's basically the band that you get with the watch. That's pretty much it. You don't get extra bands. This is the back. As you can see, those are the sensors to help you track your steps, your heart rate, etc. Everything. The band is silicone material from the feel of it. Not 100% sure, but it does have buttons right here. If you see it, this is my first time with the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I've never had any Samsung Galaxy Watches in the past, so I'm gonna need to learn how to use this, but this is just the unboxing video for today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge it up, I'm gonna set it up, and then I'm gonna wear it on my right hand, and it is gonna look weird because I'm gonna have two watches in my hand. So Apple Watch Ultra in one, and in the other one we're gonna have the Galaxy Watch 5 to see how it compares next to each other. Now the price point is different because I think this costs somewhere between $300 to maybe less than $400. This watch is 100% cheaper than the Apple Watch Ultra because Apple Watch Ultra is pretty expensive, but would be good to see if this is able to keep up with the likes of Apple Watch Ultra. Now, you're not going to be able to use this with your iPhone. Maybe you'll be able to pair, but receiving calls, etc. might be kind of hard, and tracking your steps using the Watch 5 on your iPhone, even if you are able to pair it up, might not be possible. This is only going to make sense for Samsung Galaxy users, or maybe any other Android device users as well, but this is going to be much more suitable for anyone with a Galaxy device. Yeah, I guess I'll leave it there for now. Do stay subscribed because I do want to try this out for a couple of weeks and then come out with a review video, so stick around for that. And also, if you want to watch a comparison video between the Apple Watch Ultra and the Watch 5, you know, how it compares, how it is able to keep up with my day, what it's able to track, how much accuracy is between these two devices. So for that as well, stay subscribed and I will probably come out with that video sometime in the future. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.